welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making arroz con leche, the most delicious creamy arroz con leche. This is the way I know how to make it. 2 cups of rice, any rice you like, 4 cups of water, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and about an ounce of vanilla extract. Then I mix that up. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. After that, bring out the cloves, the cinnamon, add a can of evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk, and I also add 2 more cups of water and half a cup of raisins. If you like raisins, you can add more. Then mix that up, cover again, and simmer for another 5 minutes, so it'll be a total of 20. And then it's done. I like to serve mine warm, but you can serve yours cold. If you let it cool down, it'll thicken, and it's equally delicious. It's creamy, and the most delicious rice pudding you'll have. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.